Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to cancel your CapCut Pro subscription, I'll walk you through the steps to turn it off. It's simple and only takes a minute. Let's get started. First, open your App Store if you're on iOS or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. When you get to your App Store, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to access your account setting. In the account setting, look for subscriptions. This is where you will see your active subscription, including CapCut Pro. The next step is to cancel your CapCut Pro subscription. Find CapCut Pro in the list, tap on it and select Cancel Subscription. Follow any prompt to confirm the cancellation. Once cancelled, you will have access to CapCut Pro until the end of your current billing period. And that's it guys, your CapCut Pro subscription has successfully been cancelled. Thank you so much for watching and happy editing. See you next time. Bye bye.